And in these particular crimes that you've just discussed, we've heard a lot of discussion around insurrections. Has your department looked at this or started investigating anything in relation to this particular instance of insurrection or possibly treason?
As I indicate, I think insurrection may be a word that they are using in the direction of high treason. When we look at this, we look at the conduct, the acts that have been perpetrated by individual, whether in a group or as a stand-alone. What we do, we look at the conduct itself, and the elements will dictate as to whether it goes in the direction of high treason. We don't close our eyes, we look at the act as a whole. And in this regard, I have indicated that we are working with the National Prosecuting Authority. The National Prosecuting Authority, at the beginning, we had those that deals with crimes against the state. At some stage, we were working closely with the organized crime prosecutors from the NPA, who, in case they need the assistance of those that deals with crimes against the state, they will be engaging. So for us as investigators, we look at all the conducts that individuals shall have committed during that time. And then the prosecutors will analyze as to whether the elements are sufficient to go to high treason. As I say, none of those investigations that we have done go to the elements of high treason.
And just a follow-up question on that then, with those particular investigations, have they now been closed or are they still ongoing to actually make that conclusion that there is no evidence of high treason?
The investigations are continuing. Those that have already been finalized will be ready for trial. But if we pick up some elements that we may not have picked up before a person plea, obviously the prosecutors will look at that. So as I indicated, the inquiries, the 12 inquiries, we are not sure as to what will come out of those investigations, as to whether the element of treason will come or not. We will be guided by the evidence that is being unearthed.